Got one on the jerkbait. Oh, I think that one's decent. I think it's decent. Good fish. Oh, y'all, it's a good fish. Good fish, good fish. Good fish. That's a nice fish for the first fish. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Definitely should have not just did that, but I did. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Let's try not to get the hooks. What do you think on the jerkbait? Oh my goodness. Solid. Well, y'all, this stupid thing keeps coming off the mount. I'm going to have to toss her out there. Nice fish. You never know till you try. You saw how instantly I got a bite as soon as I put that spinnerbait down. Used to catch a ton of fish on spinnerbaits and chatterbaits out here. Oh, we got us another one now. Used to catch a bunch of them. These fish must be just meaty, or this rod just doesn't have got too much bend in it. That's what I like about this pole with the jerkbaits, though, because you're able to work it the way that you want to. Alright, hold on, fella. Got another one on the jerkbait. Thank you, buddy. Oh, y'all. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness gracious. Let me just go ahead and turn my chest because I have a feeling this one's going to come off. This is a nice fish, y'all. Man, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't. That might actually be the same one I just caught. I don't know, it looks a little smaller. Maybe not. Pliers out of my pants here. I don't know. No. Eating on crawls, aren't you? Check that out. That's nice. That one's fatter. That's a different fish. Alright, guys, we're gonna go let him go. Gotta toss him because it's really shallow. I don't want to hurt him. Thank you. That was a backflip. I'm so sorry. I think I got another one. I'm not sure. I did. Cool. Nice. Y'all, these fish are all the same size. Well, this one's a little bit smaller than that last one I just hooked. Take it over here because I don't have my... He's fat. Thank you, Mr. Fish. I really appreciate you biting. Thank you so much. I'm trying not to hook myself. Alright, there's one hook out. I'm gonna check out a meaty fish. Chunky. Thank you. Thank you so much, fish. Alright guys, let's go let him go. Thank you, fish. That's number 4. I really appreciate you. Alright y'all, thanks so much for sticking with the video and watching it. Really appreciate y'all. It's really fun to come out here on days like today and just straight whack them on one specific lure. So I will see y'all on the next one.